All right, something else that you can do. I believe that it is in the US. You can see if um, you have Agent Universe in your under your suppliers. So in Agent Universe, which is Travel Leaders Network, they provide you with supplier deals that you can post on your page. Also, something else that Agent Universe provides, which is Travel Leaders Network, is Agent Profiler, where you would be able to put a profile together and have it out on their website. You do have to get it approved, and people are able to locate you, and you can generate leads, which I can show you that at another time. So, what you're going to do is go to search promos and cruise space. You can pick a specific supplier if you want to. You can go down by category, car, cruise, hotels, resorts, vacation packages, rails, programs, destinations, suppliers. You can click that and you can click social shareable promotion. Searching, searching. Oh, I totally forgot. All right, so let's see. We can look at Princess because they have Alaska. Alaska is very popular. You can take a look at it. The booking period ends tomorrow. They can travel through the 26th, though. You can share this on here if you want to. It does have your information on it, has the exclusive deals, has my information. All right, so what you can do is, okay, all right, so that's tomorrow. Let's pick a different one. Okay, we can do, let's see. Let me see, what's Royal? When does it end? It ends on the 31st. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Celebrity, Regent, Royal, Viking, Virgin. All right, let's do Virgin Voyages because that's adults only. You can look at it, tells you everything that it has. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT, create a Facebook, create a Facebook post for Virgin Voyages. Create an engaging. All right, let's see what it says. We can go back and then we can select which one we want to do. Facebook, LinkedIn. If you have Twitter, you could tweet it. You click this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it does a little pop-up. You can change whatever you needed to change on it. All right, Virgin Voyages, and then people will literally be able to click on this post that goes out. I will show you what it looks like because I don't know if you actually will be able to see that. All right, so it's going to be posted on my business page. All right, let's see who's out. And my other one, probably getting approved. So let's see. Okay, here's my travel one. Okay, here it is. This is from the Travel Leaders Network. This is everything that I got from ChatGPT. They can click on it. It will have my information. They can contact me. That's just something super easy, quick that you can do for those of you who are in the US. I don't 100% know if our international agents have access to Travel Leaders Network.